Y'all love the Secret Slobs 5x5 video I did a while back, and today we are doing the 5x5 family style. Thanksgiving is next week, which means we are behind on decorating for Christmas.
It hurts right here.
I want to know, are you decorate for Christmas before Thanksgiving or decorate for Christmas after Thanksgiving? I should speak for myself. I'm decorate for Christmas before Thanksgiving.
Before. Christmas lights should be up during Halloween.
Ah, I like it.
A little too early.
I would be team that as well. The longer Christmas is around, the better I feel.
Sure.
Anyway, we went camping this past weekend and our house is a wreck. So in preparation for decorating for Christmas, we are going to do the 5x5 channel.
Man, it's like taking us like 4 minutes.
I think somebody else needs to take the reins.
This is not your channel. In addition for decorating for Christmas, we are going to be doing a Christmas declutter. So we need to get this house into shape so we can get the Christmas stuff out and get that done for you guys. So the 5 spaces we're tackling are first the dining room, then the kitchen, then the living room. Then we are going to do our laundry room / entryway. And last but not least, the stairs. The stairs are a major eyesore right now. I did mention that we went camping, but also I have been trying to recover the rest of my house from the time I spent decluttering the closet. If you were here last week, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Not only did that declutter take over the whole house, but because I was spending so much time on that, I was not able to focus on other areas of my home. And that is completely normal. I think that's important to note on the decluttering process. When you take on big decluttering projects, it's completely normal for other areas of your house to suffer. And it might take a little extra time to get caught up on those daily maintenance chores. I just really wanted to make that point because when you're decluttering, that's where your time and energy is focused, and you're not able to do the daily maintenance chores. And so when you come out of the decluttering project and your house is destroyed, it can be very discouraging. And that is an unrealistic expectation we place on ourselves. Nobody is expecting us to take on a huge declutter task and then turn around and keep the house pristine. If they do, they need a swift kick in the rear. No, but if you are anything like me, you place unrealistic expectations on yourself that just leave you deflated at the end of the day. And we need to quit that. There are only so many hours in a day. Take the time to declutter and save the other house cleaning for later. Ultimately, decluttering first is what will make the daily chores and home maintenance manageable in the long run. We have to remind ourselves of that and cut ourselves some slack. Now promise me you will do that. And I promise you, I will do that for myself as well.
You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. You always thought that you were weak, but babe, you're wrong. Yeah, you.
All right, our time was up on that one, but we're literally just down to sweeping, so I'm just gonna take 30 seconds. Just gonna fudge it a little bit. Okay.
Yeah, I can help you with the dust can.
30 seconds. Go.
Yeah, you better step into the light. Just get.
Now we've all been waiting for the grand finale.
Tell Mello, what's the grand finale?
We're gonna be cleaning the stairs.
And who cares if you might mess it up? You're stronger than the others think. And who cares if you might mess it up? Go ahead and shine, darling. Go ahead and shine, my dear. 'Cause who cares if you 'cause you're a work of art. You should know that you are perfect with those flaws. Yeah, you better step into the light, just give it a try. Know that it's time you let that spark out. You've been hiding in the shadows way too long. And 'cause if you might mess it up, you're stronger than the others think. And 'cause if you might mess it up.
You know what? That was kind of fun. And it was fast. 5 minutes in each room. When we did it, like in the dining room and in the kitchen, we were done with before the 5-minute timer went off.
No one complained.
No one complained. They even said it was a little fun.
So it was fun. This one
Yes,
did.
you did. Or she did.
That's right, we took a little extra time.
We took that 1 extra minute in the entryway mainly because it was just a lot of clutter in there, and really I'm still not satisfied in there. Like the secretary needs to be cleaned off, backpacks need to be taken up. There's still some stuff that need to be done, but that's not what the 5x5 is meant for. The 5x5 is meant for just giving yourself a quick reset. When you walk into the room, it feels clean, but if you look close, especially at the floors, not so good.
It also helps because you won't get overwhelmed when it is time to clean it.
Right. In fact, as soon as I stop recording, I'm gonna go hit some of the hotspot floor areas and just do those real quick because they're bothering me.
I do recommend trying this out with your family. Make sure to like, subscribe.
Wait.
You need to tell me when to do it.
Let me angle it down for you, shorties. When you're ready.
Okay, I want to say like. She's going to say subscribe and you're going to do notifications.
What?
I'm going to say make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. No, we're going to do this one time.
Okay.
And then we'll say that together, okay? Make sure to like, subscribe.
And hit that notification bell so you know when we upload next.
Go say something kind to yourself and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
High five.
You're going to do more cleaning?
No, I'm gonna take care of the floor.
Okay, no, I'm
Thank y'all for your help.